Hi everyone, I just wanted to quickly show you how to use Jamboard. So you can use the pen tool over to the side here, and the brush is really great for coloring, and you can change colors. So this is my example cube conversation. It's different than the one that you are going to have. And then you can use the pen tool if you wanted to write, like I know this is 9, and then I know this is 2 times 9. Or you can use even the sticky note tool and type in what you like, and then just hit save, and that sticky note will pop in. When you're done making sticky notes, you can hit cancel and it'll go away. I can drag this around and grow it and turn it however I like. And then you can also use the eraser tool. When you're all the way done and you've got your image the way you want it, then you're going to go up to these 3 dots and you're going to save that frame as an image. And that's going to tell you that it is something that you can load into our discussion board now. On your Jamboard, one other thing is that at the top you should have 3 different cards, so you can pick which one you want to work on. You don't need to work on all 3, just pick one of them. And you can press the arrows to go through it. Mine only has 1 right now. And then if for some reason you want to start all over again, there's clear frame. So all of those work, and then you'll have that image that you can upload right into the discussion board. So I hope that helps, and I can't wait to see what you come up with.